That little check engine light, every driver dreads it. Do you really want to spend $100 just to have a mechanic plug in a scanner? Today, I'll show you how the MOTOPOWER MP69033 OBD2 Scanner can save you time, money, and stress all in the palm of your hand. Welcome back to Auto Repair, your trusted place to take control of your car's health and keep more money in your pocket. In this video, we'll test out the MP69033 and see why it's one of the most practical scanners for everyday drivers since 1996 and up. Let's dive in. First off, the MP69033 is packed with functions. Not only does it read and erase codes, it gives you freeze-frame data, real-time curves, vehicle info, item readiness, and even live stats like speed, load value, coolant temp, and RPM. Basically, everything you need to diagnose that engine light with confidence. It supports 9 OBD protocols, meaning it works with most cars. US models since 1996, EU since 2000, and many Asian vehicles. And here's a big plus, it supports 6 languages, including English, German, Spanish, French, Dutch, and Italian. The 2.8-inch LCD display is super clear, with adjustable contrast and a white backlight. No need for extra batteries, this scanner pulls power directly from your car. Just plug it in, ignition on, hit OK, and you're connected. The design is compact but tough. It comes with a 2.5-foot flexible cable and a thick insulator for durability. You've got 6 easy-to-use buttons: scroll up, down, enter, exit, plus quick VIN and DTC lookups. And here's a small but nice detail. It even comes with a screen protector film to keep the display scratch-free. Now, a quick reality check. It's not designed for ABS, airbag, or all service lights. This is strictly for OBD engine-related issues. But for the price, that's exactly what most drivers need: clear answers about their engine light without a mechanic's bill. So if you're tired of paying just to know what's wrong with your car, the MOTOPOWER MP69033 is a reliable, affordable tool to keep in your glove box. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on smart car hacks that save you money. Until next time, drive smart, live wealthy.